Hello everybody. Hey, I'm going to do a little run in the dirt on the my little Gravedigger clone, and we'll see what this thing does. I'll warn you, somebody forgot to hit the record button on the microphone, so all I've got is the audio from the camera, so you can kind of hear it. I'm not going to tell you who the person was that forgot to do it, but his initials were ME. So, you know, that's how it goes. There's enough audio in there. I think you can kind of hear through it. Apologize for that, but, you know, that's how it works sometimes. And, well, you'll understand why I can't just go redo it in a little bit. So, well, let's go ahead and get started, and all this will make more sense. I'll have a wrap up at the end of this, and we'll go over it, see what I think about it. Okay, same place, different car. Says it's a vampire ghost. It's kind of a Gravedigger looking clone. And I've got a, this is the one that had the funky dead battery. So I've got I think it's a Florian. I'll throw a picture of it up on the screen. I'm not going to dig it out of the car right this second. But it's a 2S battery. So we'll see what she does. We're in between rainstorms right now, so try to get this before the next one hits. That's pretty good in the dirt. And I'm thinking I may want to do a brushless conversion on this. And it looks like, and I still haven't verified, but it looks like I can add the rear wheel steering to this car. But it's handling the bumps a lot better than the 12428. It's a bigger car, a little heavier car. Same bumps though. There's no thinner dip, it's just direct drive to both axles. But I'm pretty happy with what this is doing. And for those of you that don't remember, this was the car my wife bought me for Christmas that was we got from Vanguard. She got it from Vanguard and it was used. It's burning through the battery pretty quick. This is the first cycle I've had on this particular battery, so it may not be fully up to the challenge of this just yet. Hey, I just want to do a quick wrap up on this car. In the run video, I thought the battery was dying, so we brought it in so I could get a little slow-mo footage on it. And after it sat there for a minute or two, it should have kind of livened up a little bit, and it did not. It got worse. It practically wouldn't even move. So when I got it home, I checked the battery. The battery is at 3.95 volts per cell, so it wasn't the battery at all. Battery's fine. I think what it did is it burned the motor up. I put my thumb on the motor and it was so hot I couldn't even touch it. The ESC felt like it was okay. So all the little quirks aside on this car, it's a very flexible platform. You can put a brushed motor back in it, which I have a 21 turn still in the box. So it's either a 19 or a 21 turn still in the box. So I'll just throw another motor in it. But I like the flexibility of the platform. It's already got a 3-wire servo in it, so if you wanted to put a stronger servo or if you wanted to go brushless, You know, you'd have to change out the ESC, but the servo's already set up for it. So anyway, very flexible platform. I'll be doing some more stuff with this car. If you want to see that, hit the subscribe button, and it's going to be a little while before I get to it. I got a couple of other projects going. Anyway, if you've got a question, throw it in the comments. I'll get to it as quick as I can. It appears that YouTube's still on autopilot, so I'm getting very few notifications. I get some, but I get very few. So if I don't answer a question, it doesn't matter if you're a subscriber or not. If I don't answer your question, ask it again, ask it on a different video, or ask it again on the same video. I'm trying to go back through them on a daily basis, but I can't go back to every single video to search for comments, and I'm getting comments on some of my older videos. Anyway, thanks everybody, I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys down the road.